What's up, Internet? This is Cons from Minecraft Friends here doing another tutorial. We're still in Multiverse. Last week we went over the Multiverse core if you want to do some multi-world management. And this week we're just doing portals. So it's the same plugin authors. They do, it's a way that you can set up user travel between your portals. It's pretty simple, straightforward. There's a few different plugins that do it as well if you want to use Stargates or like Wormhole. There's quite a few. I use Stargates. I've used the portals. It's pretty nice. Yeah, nothing really to go over for the config file. It's pretty straightforward. Just check it out. Yeah, that's about it. Let's get into show you how to create a portal. Now, the big thing is that the portal can be made out of anything. This is one I made earlier. This is actually my server, and this goes to the VIP world. So there's nothing in the middle, but I believe you can fill it in, fill or something. Yeah, never mind. I'll scratch that. All right, so it can be anything. If you want it to look like a Nether portal, you have to use their plugin called Nether Portals. Same thing, only it'll look like another portal. There is a way to fill this in. I don't know how to do it right now, so I might fill that in the description later. I just leave them like this and just put some signs around it. It seems to work just fine. It doesn't even have to be a border. You could just do an area that they walk through and it teleports them. I've seen that on a few servers, so let's get into it. If you're not using World Edit, you can always just set MVP. Much like Multiverse, the alias is just MV, and to modify stuff is MVM. That's an alias. For portals, it's Multiverse or MVP. Not the most valuable player, the Multiverse portals. And then you can just type in wand. Now that'll give you the wand, but it says I'm using World Edit, so I'm just going to do wand. There we go. Let's go ahead and set up our portal. Let's do a yellow one here. And I'm just going to do, it's going to be really small because just to show that you can do it with whatever you want. And then you just go ahead and select your portal. So left click to select one corner. This works just like World Edit. Right click down there. Once you've selected the region, you can create the portal. We'll do MVP create. We'll just do test one. Oops, sorry. Test one. There we go. So portal's created, but it doesn't go anywhere. So it doesn't do anything yet. So let's do this. Let's make it come out of a blue one here, and then let's just put it right next to it. Oops. I fail at creative, whatever. Okay. And then we'll do this. Now, when you're creating the second portal, you can, in the creation of it, set the destination. So, and the destination stuff is very, very robust. You can either point it just to another portal, which is what I usually do. You can point it to another world, which then it'll just go to that world spawn, or you can do a position, a specific position, which, as you can see, this is how you would do it. That's the different destinations. Now, the other thing that I just found is you can put a colon after every destination, and then put north, south, east, west, and then it'll change the direction that the player is facing when they come out. So I've created it. All right, let's do create test 2, and then we're going to point it to the portal, so we do P colon test 1, and then I want them to face, I think, north, so we'll see how that works. So this one is at least pointing that one, but that one is not pointing back. We'll go over that in a moment. So see, and then we face north coming out of it, which is exactly the way that we wanted to face. Now, to go back to the first one, point it to the second one, we're going to do MVP select test 1. So that's the name of the portal. Select that one. Then you're going to do MVP modify destination. So DST, and then P, what do we call that one? Test 2. And then let's just have some fun. Let's point it, I think you'd even do northeast. Let's do that. Yep. So then you walk through here and see how I'm come out at an angle, which is nice. Now, you can always see the list of all the portals that you're running, as well as MVP list. And then there's, you can see the ones that I've created before for my VIP world. That's how that goes. And then, of course, you can always just remove the portal. So that's pretty straightforward. It works great. It's a little hard to remember all those commands, but it's pretty nice. It's very robust. So as always, if you have questions, put them in the comments. If you have, I'll see what I can do to answer them, and enjoy the game. Three, two, one, go.